I'm not gonna lie, like I'm kind of scared to like find or like discover nastiness in here. Like, you ever have it where like your kids leave just like the nastiest stuff in your car? Like, I have found like old food bits, like they're always in these compartments because they sit in these back seats. My car is gonna be so amazing after this. She's gonna be lit. She'll be amazing. Hey friends, we are going to clean our cars today. If you live in a climate that's really cold, I bet you can relate to the fact that throughout the winter, you probably don't clean your car out all that much unless you go and take it somewhere to have it detailed. So you kind of just let it build up. But come springtime, or like today, it's like 40 degrees outside, which in Midwesty weather, that's like summer. It's hot. Like, people are wearing flip-flops, no joke. So it is time to clean my car. But we're not doing a really like detailed clean today, because if I did that, it would probably take, no lie, like 8 hours. So we're not gonna do that. But what we're gonna do is like the really nasty, unsightly areas of the car. And I'll show you exactly how I do it, like what's the quickest way. And my hope is that it will take under 20 minutes to do my entire car. So let's do it. Okay, but before we actually clean the car, if anybody has the Shark stick vac that I have, I'll insert a picture. Please let me know if I am a goofball and I don't understand how this attachment works. So they have an attachment thing, and I love it because it's got like a really small, do you see that, like a little tiny tip there? And so you can get into like all those nooks and crannies. However, when you attach it to the vacuum, it does not have good suction, because check this out. Do you see that? You see all these little holes? It's got like these weird little holes there, and I don't understand, like, why? So I literally think I'm just going to like tape them closed so that I get the strong suction that I need out of this. But I can't help but think, like, I just don't get it. So if somebody has this type of vacuum and you know why that is and like how to make the suction work, like, please let me know. Like, am I missing a piece? I don't know, but I need to like get all the nastiness out of this car. So I'm just gonna do what I have to do to make it work. Okay, let's go, like for real now, because my car is really disgusting. Okay. I don't know why I'm whispering, except sometimes like my car's embarrassingly nasty. Okay, for real. So the products that we're going to use, we're gonna keep it real light today, because like I said, we're just gonna be like really quick and easy here. I have a bin. That's where I'm gonna throw all sorts of weird random stuff that's in my car. Actually, this isn't weird or random. It's my yoga mat and I love it. And I use it all the time. But she's gotta get out of here so that we can clean it. Silk flowers, y'all don't have silk flowers in your car? Boots from Target that I have yet to return. All sorts of stuff. So anyways, a bin to put all your junk in. And then I also have a bag for garbage. All sorts of, we're gonna start with like weirdo, just like cleaning cloths to get all the nasty stuff off. And then I also have microfiber ones. These are super cheap. I get them at Walmart, like nothing fancy, nothing special, but they're really nice for cleaning the leather because they don't leave any lint behind. And then in terms of, my duct tape to, see what I did? See how I just sort of like rigged up my vacuum cleaner here? I don't know why there's holes in that thing, but whatever. Then I have a bottle of water, because there's a lot of salt, and water's the best thing to just sort of like get it off of the surfaces quickly. I have these, what are these? Armor All Protectant wipes for the surfaces. I've been using these for years. I love them. They're great. And this is a new thing that I'm gonna try. It is Turtle Wax Leather Mist. Some sort of like leather seat conditioning mist thing. I'm gonna be honest, I got sucked in by the fun little misty top, and I have never been disappointed by a Turtle Wax product. So that's it. That's all we're doing. Basically just wiping stuff down, getting the nasties out. And I have a cherry Coke because you just need a cherry Coke. If it was a morning time, I'd have a coffee. And if it was really hot out and it was summer, I'd probably crack a beer. Like maybe not, I don't know. But you know, sometimes. But today, it's cherry Coke. So, I'm not gonna lie, like I'm kind of scared to like find or like discover nastiness in here. Like, you ever have it where like your kids leave just like the nastiest stuff in your car? Like, I have found like old food bits, like they're always in these compartments because they sit in these back seats. Yeah, I find a lot of socks in the car, which is just baffling to me. Like, I don't remember the last time I got into a car and like left my socks in the car. Like why would that be? Why is that like a thing? I don't know. They're always like, you know, the kid socks though. So I just, whatever, I just take care of it. But like lots of food stuff, some crusty French fries. And then the worst part is like when my little ones still had sippy cups, which one of my guys, he still loves his Milky. If they drop it and the milk like sprays or it like, you know, shoots out of that sippy cup. Oh my God, like it's really hard to like decrustify your car from milk, just saying. So if you can avoid that, they would probably make cleaning and like keeping your car clean like super easy. Just little tip from me to you, okay? It's time to like really do it. You guys ready? Here you can see all that lovely salt and mud and dried up slush. Oh, gross. It's not too bad underneath, but around the edges it's pretty nasty. The backs of these seats are just so bad because both of my youngest two are in car seats, and you can tell these are just slushy boot prints up and down the entire back of my two front seats. Lots of nasty crumbs and stuff. Drips. Now it's vacuum time. So this is my Shark Apex vacuum. It's like a normal vacuum, but it also has that little attachment that I showed you earlier. Really, with this type of a clean on the car, I'm not gonna be like super, you know, detailed about it. I'm really just looking to pick up the big pieces. But this is a good vacuum to do it because I feel like it gets into the nooks and crannies and it's like super dexterous. Like it doesn't get hung up on stuff. Whereas my other vacuum cleaner, because yes, I have multiples because I like to clean, that one's not good for this type of a job. But whatever, we're just gonna vacuum. Okay, you get the idea. now that we've vacuumed the car, we've got it to a point where, yeah, it's not like super perfect, but it's 9,000 times better than what it was. The next thing I do is I wipe down like the gross, nasty surfaces. I wipe down the gross surfaces. And all I use is some water and like a cotton cloth, and I will spray everything down first. I will let it soak for a little bit, not like soak, but just sort of like give it a hot minute to work its magic a little bit and loosen up some of that grime. And then I come back through, spray it again, and wipe it all down. We're not looking for perfection here. We're really just looking to get all of like the gross mud and whatever else off of the seats. Okay, next, after you've wiped all the grimy gunk stuff off that you possibly can, you'll notice, especially if you have leather interior, that your seats are gonna look a little dull because they're not conditioned. They will have like the slush and the grossness removed, but they're gonna look dull. So I am gonna come in with this stuff. It is, let's see here, a leather mist. Ooh, sounds fancy. To clean, condition, protect, you basically shake it well, you spray it on. Apparently, I've never used this before, so I'm figuring it out. You spray it on. Let's see here, wipe it, buff it, use some clean microfiber to do that, and then you should be good to go. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we use these things to wipe all the surfaces down. there you have it. That's how I give my car a bit of a quick clean right after winter as spring is just starting to just get a lot of the grime and grossness out of here. It's not a super detailed clean, but it's enough to like make my car feel like $1,000,000. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. Let me know if you quick clean your car and how you do it, because this took me about maybe like a half hour. I would love for it to go even faster. So if you have any tips to share, let me know below. Okay, cool. Bye.